Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are taking care of yourself really well. So in this video I'm going to share with you review and swatches of these lipsticks. These are Biotique Magicolor lipsticks and I have 4 sets with me, and in my recent haul video I have shown you these lipsticks. So these lipsticks are really very affordable, and due to that I purchased these lipsticks because affordable lipsticks are everyone can buy, even college going girls and teenagers, they can even buy these lipsticks, and that's why I thought of sharing these lipsticks with you all. And I also personally love to use affordable products, and particularly if lipsticks are available on affordable range, then who will not buy it? So definitely I bought all these lipsticks for myself. So if you want to know how these lipsticks are and how these lipsticks look on my lips and everything about these lipsticks, then please continue watching. So first I'm showing you the packaging of these lipsticks. They come in a beautiful cardboard packaging like this. You can see the packaging. It's so beautiful. There is a girl face over here which is also very pretty, so I like the packaging a lot. Packaging is very beautiful, and here it's written Biotique Magicolor lipstick. And here it's written Biotique Natural Makeup, and here it's written Magicolor lipstick, and here you'll be getting the shade name on a sticker. Here the sticker is present, here there is a sticker and the shade name is written. This is Burn Girl, and number is also there, so this is R604. And here on the back side you'll be getting other details like customer care number and company name, everything. Then the net weight is mentioned. You'll be getting 4.2 grams of lipstick, which is a very good quantity for the price that you're paying. The price of this lipstick is only rupees 125, and that you'll be getting on a very good discount on Nykaa and Flipkart. So recently I have bought this from Flipkart on a very good discount, and now it's also available on a good discount on Nykaa, and there is also some sale going on Nykaa. So if you want to buy, then go ahead and check it out. So other details are also means the manufacture date. It is manufactured in 10/2019 and it's going to expire on 9/2022. So you will be getting around 3 years of shelf life, which is a pretty long period to for any lipstick. So that is a good time period that you are getting. So now I'm showing you the packaging of these lipsticks. So these lipsticks are available in 15 shades. So I have picked up 4 sets for myself. And I forgot to mention that Biotique has launched its natural makeup in 3 ranges. So this is the lowest range, that is the most affordable range, and this range is called as a Magicolor range. So there is also a Star range and a Diva range. So Diva is the costliest, and Star is just below it, and the most affordable is this particular range, the Magicolor range. So I picked up the lipsticks from the Magicolor range. So this is the packaging. You can see a beautiful packaging. It's a glossy pink packaging, and here it's written Biotique Natural Makeup. So the packaging is very beautiful and I like the packaging a lot. The only con is it is not color coded. So if you are having many shades, it's really very difficult to choose. And if you are storing these lipsticks in your vanity, in that case also it's really very difficult to choose which shade you want to apply. So you have to open all the bullets and you have to check. And here the shade name and number is written on the bottom. There is also a sticker on it. The shade name number is mentioned, net weight is mentioned, the expiry date is also mentioned. So if you are throwing the outer cardboard packaging, it's not an issue. So you can see the expiry date on the lipstick itself. So that is a good thing. So on opening the bullet, the bullet is really very tight and it closes really well with a tick sound. You can hear it, and so it is travel friendly. You can definitely carry this lipstick in your bag if you are traveling, and it will not at all open in your bag. So that is also a good part. And this is the bullet. You can see the bullet. You're getting a good quantity of lipstick. Biotique has claimed that these lipsticks are 100% organic, they're silicone free and they're cruelty free. And but nowhere the ingredients are mentioned, so that is what is bothering me. So if you are claiming all these things, then you should definitely provide the ingredients list. So they have not mentioned the ingredients anywhere. They have also claimed like this is made of natural pigments, but nowhere the ingredients are mentioned. So coming to the formula of these lipsticks, the lipsticks are creamy matte lipsticks, you can see. So after applying these lipsticks, you'll be getting a little bit shine on your lips. So they are not totally matte, so they are very comfortable on lips, and they are very highly pigmented. The pigmentation mentioned, that is the smell of these lipsticks. It has a very strong floral sort of smell, so it might bother many people who don't like much smell in their makeup products. These lipsticks don't stain, so that is also a good part. So many people do hate staining on their lips, that's why I'm telling this point to you all. So these lipsticks also transfer a lot. If you are eating anything, then in that case they will transfer, and they will fade, and they will leave a little bit tint on your lips. They will not totally get removed from your lips, and they will last for around 2 to 3 hours, and after that you have to reapply. And if you want these lipsticks to be matte, in that case you can dab your lips with a tissue, and they'll give a matte finish on your lips. So that was the review about these lipsticks. And coming to recommendation, I surely recommend you these lipsticks. Showing you the pigmentation, you can see the pigmentation. This is a very lovely brownie nude shade, and I love it. And you can see the pigmentation is really very good. So these are highly pigmented, really very moisturizing on lips, comfortable on lips, and this is a very good daily use lipstick. So on a daily basis, definitely you can wear these lipsticks. And I hope Biotique comes up with more shades in this range. So yeah, so that was all about this lipstick. So now let's enjoy the swatches. This is shade Bond Girl R604. So this is how the shade looks. It is a brownish red sort of shade, and it will look good on all skin tones. It looks beautiful. The next shade that I have is Creamy Cup N606. So this is how this shade looks. This is Creamy Cup. It's a pink sort of shade. This shade will also look good from fair to dusky skin tones. So it might wash out deeper skin tones a little bit, because it's a little bit bright, as you can see. The next shade is Cookie Crumble B601. So this is the shade Cookie Crumble. It's a beautiful nude shade, as you can see. It will look good on all skin tones, starting from fair to deep skin tones, and it's a beautiful nude shade. And it has mauve undertones. This is the shade Barely There N605. So this is the shade Barely There. This is a very bright neon-y pink sort of shade, as you can see. And this shade, I feel like it washes me out a little bit, so I don't like this shade that much. So this shade will only look good on very fair skin tones, very fair to fair skin tones might be, but it will not at all look good on medium skin tones, medium to deeper skin tones. So I don't recommend this shade actually, because and it's a little bit patchy as well. I have to reapply some 2 to 3 times to get this sort of pigmentation. So if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it, so that you never miss out any of my videos. And please do like and share. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.